If you or your child are experiencing symptoms of extra gas caused by air swallowing or certain food/infant formulas, Simethicone can help relieve these symptoms by breaking up gas bubbles in the gut. It's important to check the ingredients on the label, as the manufacturer may have changed them, and products with similar names may contain different ingredients meant for different purposes. Be sure to use the correct product to avoid any harm to your child. As for the daily dosage, it's best to follow the instructions on the packaging or as directed by your healthcare provider. It's generally safe to take Simethicone as needed, but it's best to take it after meals and at bedtime for optimal results. When giving Simethicone to your child, always follow the directions on the product package or as directed by the doctor. This medication is usually given by mouth, as needed after meals and at bedtime. The dosage is based on your child's age, medical condition, and how they respond to treatment. It's important not to increase the dose or give this product more often than directed, and you should never give more than the recommended amount for your child's age. Before giving the medication, shake the container well and carefully measure the dose using a special measuring device or dropper. Do not use a household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. When giving the liquid by mouth, try to do so slowly and aim for the side of the inside cheek to prevent spitting or choking. You can also add the dosage to 1 ounce of cool water, infant formula, or juice, mix well, and give the liquid right away. If using a dropper, be sure to rinse it well after each use. If your child's condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical help immediately. When it comes to Simethicone, it's generally considered safe with very few side effects. If your child experiences any unusual effects, it's important to contact the doctor or pharmacist right away. If the doctor has prescribed this medication for your child, it's because they believe that the benefits outweigh any potential risks. Most people who use this medication do not experience any serious side effects. While it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to Simethicone can occur. If you notice any symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, be sure to contact the doctor or pharmacist. As for the best time to take Simethicone, it can be taken as needed to relieve symptoms such as gas, bloating, or discomfort caused by swallowing air. The dosage will depend on your child's age and medical condition, so be sure to follow the doctor's instructions carefully. If you have any concerns about potential side effects or how to use Simethicone, don't hesitate to contact your doctor for further guidance. Before giving Simethicone to your child, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if your child has any allergies or health issues. It's also important to let your doctor or dentist know about all the products your child is using before any surgery. Simethicone is not usually used by adults and should be used with caution during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Always consult your doctor if you have any questions about using this product. When taking Simethicone, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that may affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist to ensure the safe use of Simethicone and other medications. If your child takes thyroid medication, it's recommended to give it at least 4 hours before or after products that contain Simethicone to avoid any decrease in absorption of the thyroid medication. This will help ensure the effectiveness of the thyroid medication for your child's health. If someone has taken too much Simethicone and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek emergency medical help right away by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., you can dial 1-800-222-1222 to reach your local poison control center, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Make sure to keep all your scheduled doctor's appointments and any necessary lab appointments while taking Simethicone. This will help your healthcare provider monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. If your child is taking Simethicone on a regular schedule and misses a dose, give it as soon as you remember. If it is near the time of the next dose, skip the missed dose. Give the next dose at the regular time. Do not double the dose to catch up. When it comes to storing Simethicone, it's important to keep it at room temperature and away from moisture, heat, and light. Make sure not to freeze it or store it in the bathroom, and always keep it out of reach of children and pets. When you no longer need the product or it reaches its expiration date, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. Remember not to flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.